and peace. Look at. Oh gosh. I say man, we could go in there. Alright, massive, I can put on this one. Your feet! People live downstairs now? What people house downstairs now? We're not chopping anything. Yeah, we're not chopping nothing. I swear to God. Oh my word. Full of. Yo, the water mark now move, bro. See how that step here? The step not even come out of board yet. That if tell us the house a rare pan and them have all hoops we go on the second floor. Watch it. Here debris, you know, me a whoop. So one car bumper there, me a whoop say. One car underneath there. Yeah. No, this would be we're up on the first story now, down there so. The ground floor.
It's true, I don't know how high up the water come, bro, but this one house it look like that would have been one first floor down there.
Cheese and peas, so.
Yo, this is crazy.
Man, tell her, man.
Yo, so doing a backflip. How much likes your backflip?
In a that?
No, nobody how the likes this.
No, Sam, I don't do none of this, I feel. Oh, yeah, bro, see that?
Here it is. I can see where they made plans to go
see that?
higher.
Like literally. Where paddle? Watch it.
How much feet? 3 feet, 2 feet?
Watch it, watch it. Yo. Yeah, it's spot them what you see right now. Means say the water is that deep. We're deeper. Look at myself. Alright, I think this is a shop. I think I want to shop this at the pan. Yeah. I think I'll be probably out of the house. Because through the deck, they must say, alright, then we could just put them on it.
Where you lock it off?
No, man, it's not work.
Oh.
When I turn on, I don't lock off. When I see what go on,
Yeah, man. They say I hold it more up, so.
Stop. Yeah, so big up on my Jamaica Walk By massive. No joke, no doubt. This is the current situation today. You know what I mean? As a journey to content. So I never see yet how we really reach more while, but yeah. But there, look on it, on the kayak. This is the journey. You understand? So the van away now, barely can hold way, and the kayak them. And the Roger, this name again?
Paddleboard.
The paddleboard. So, you don't know. Noel bus only can hold the kayak paddleboard them, and we have to really pull down and seat them. So, you don't know. You have to lie down underneath here and go and tough it out. Look good now, man. Look good. You see that? That's how we do it. No joke, no doubt. Anything to get the content them. So, massive, if you're just enjoying the video, please make a like the video right now. Look how we are doing it. Because we have to fold up the seat them. Big up to, me remember, I wish I know my subscriber them buy the blow up better for me, but anyone who watch it, and the system I use it, see blow up better. So when we do, we just blow it out, send it go down there so we could lie down on it because the seat them can't go up. And we have got a good journey. But nevertheless, I'm comfortable as hell, man. Look good. Yeah, so we can go sleep. So big up to yo Noel, and we're there with Raj. Yo, where my name the way I drive? I know well, I take a Raj. I must say, if you remember, when I go see them link and thing, you can go subscribe to them channel too if you don't know about them. You understand? We so reach one location, so they keep watching as we get a little comfortable break here. And we just going. So I will just, before me even say that, remember, a content where I go. All I house them still underwater, and they still ask you for update. So that's why we get the boat. So if you still are watching, you know what I go on. So it's a new chapter this, so we couldn't go alone. Me and Noel, we have to go with somebody who can swim good. Like Raj, in case we are drowned. So in case we are drowned and we jump off Raj there, Raj can swim good, so.
No, they give you CPR.
Oh, you have to give me CPR, you know easy? You have to give me CPR. I mean, brother, anyone will never come tell me about you now get a CPR, make me all drown. Remember, me come back phone in you, remember me tell you that. Anyone see me in a difficulty, I'm a drown. CPR me there, mouth to mouth, pump my chest. But make sure me live. You get me massive? And that's something thing, you understand? All the people that must say if you're John and a man have to go give you CPR, comment in the comment section right now. Say CPR. Can't make walk by go out like that, man. You must be mad, man. So massive, keep watching, stay tuned. We're there on the journey. Yeah, massive. So we are here. We are here in Content, Manchester again. And if you're just joining, trust me, yeah, let me just recap. The intro was crazy, because this is the way how we drive. Come down a Content with Yo Noel and Raj from Kayaking Jamaica. I have bad news. The water here in Content Manchester is still rising. No joke.
Right now.
Still full up. You understand? Raj, based on the last time I see water, talk to me, how it look?
Remember, sir, whenever I come down here, no, I know it.
Yeah, but
first time,
but I say from when you see it, how it look? Now that you reach and I look funny, how it look? It look like it a go down or it look like a same place
It look like a same place today, you know.
That me say. So you see why I say bad news? So I tell them say me have bad news to them because me found now for the third time and the water look like it still no move. So over a span of 3 weeks now, the water still no move.
It's just crazy how the water come all the way up from underground and cover the houses them completely.
Just so.
It's just mysterious lad.
Yeah, and the water run off over there, you know?
Yeah.
And clearly, me I want them to run off and just a recycle and come right back road because it's not moving. You see me I say?
Not at all.
So massive, if you not just watch, you don't know who this guy is. His name is Raj from Kayaking Jamaica.
Yeah,
so make sure you go over there and subscribe to him channel if you want to see outdoor adventure from Blue Mountain, Portland, all of them things there. As I hear me say spearfishing, you know say what this man is all about. If you want to see him, if you don't want to see him wrestle to crocodile, alright, I say you go.
I know that, man.
Number one spearfishing man in Jamaica.
Pick up on yourself, see me over there. We are go out there, we are doing a live view on the spot we are going right now, guys. We are go out with the kayak them right now. No, fly the jump.
Fly the jump. I want to don't know my virgin already. Yeah. Original Yo Noel, and we're outside and we are going. We are kayak today. Pull the jump, pull it back, me then see we really what are going today. It's no joke. We are going to see exactly what's going in, as Noel would have said today on Content. So we are going to see if we can go up on a few of the houses them or see if we can see underneath the houses them. We don't know. But we are going out there with the kayak them and showing it just like it is. As you can see. Look, let me show you the water. See it there? I don't even know if out of water them fridge are forward from. Out of water fridge them forward from? Or them just put it there for all the sandbag them. Yeah, massive car. You have to remember say rain still a fall, you know, rain still a fall and all of them things there. So whole heap of debris right on out here and thing, water run off over there. So but see there, it is not moving. Not move none at all. So sorry for all the home owners them and the residents out here, but keep on watching. We are going into the water right about now. And we are go to some of the houses them into the water. No joke, no doubt. Believe you me. So big up, make sure someone like if you're the right now as we do this thing. Stay tuned, stay tuned. I say, I tell you, it's a crazy business I go on and I love it because right now shop set up. You can get your Heineken, your cold beer, your NEC, your Splash, your everything you can get out here right now. We're Jamaican, we're very resilient. Anything we see at all we can benefit from, we're going to benefit from it. You see me? Up here so now you can get jerk chicken, you can get water, cool water, bigger water, you can get every kind of thing. So make sure if you afford you come have a nice time to just look because right now it's a tourist attraction. So come and get the jerk chicken. What we have up there, so we see snacks for all the kids them and things. So right now we just tragedy, but we find a way how to make it out the right way in all things. You see me I say, we turn it in our business. So in Jamaica they always say everybody downfall is somebody uprise. You understand? So this is definitely one of the moment them. So everything there, snacks, food, you name it. taxi all around here. So if you want to see what I go on, you hold a taxi and tell the taxi where you go. Taxi come drop you off right there, so and you see what I go on. So let's go this and jump into the water, man. Let's go. You say ready?
Active, long time.
Remember say you are life master, you know. In case of anything, you are lifeguard.
And Noel I do the CPR.
Noel, in case of anything, you do CPR?
Yeah man, him say him good.
Him good. Him good. Yeah, Noel, yeah, we're good. So let's go.
Alright, so Fabian, this is your one, you know. You ever use a paddleboard?
Never use none of them something, man. I don't know what is this right now. Where to set me up?
Well, you can learn today.
Jesus Christ. I don't know where we're doing this. I just want to know something good for CPR and sit, you know. And we have lifeguard, we're not a big swimmer.
Well, why you get CPR?
No, bro, but you have to think about all of the possible causes then because hey, listen to me, I don't want to go nowhere with nobody when time I come to save in my life. They're going to be homophobic. I don't depend on that. Yeah, so you know how to do. Alright. What me say, Massive?
Yeah man.
And that me depend. You know, you go someplace and you tell the man, say, one number, and they say, number few.
Take out that one, them if you feel.
Yeah, and can't say, a number 2. Over.
Wait, stop.
Alright, man, I'll stop it right there, so, and you forward. Oh, one dog and something. Yeah, we're going to see what go on down there. Alright.
Take on a surfboard, man.
How we hear this?
And we float out there with them.
So you're massive. That's how we are doing it today.
Right now, we have a look up. Life jacket. Which life jacket?
Can't
swim, bro.
Me can swim, but me not better like them, good like them. But me I tell you the truth. Me tell them straight up. Say, listen, me. Any difficulties me, them better, you know.
Cut you.
Yeah, talk to me.
You go over there, it's your house where there.
Yeah, him see him one Jamaica Walk By.
Jamaica Walk By, man.
Big up and respect, man.
General float, your general thing active.
Active. This is how someone to live in here, Ral.
Real, pick up yourself, bro.
Yes, but you also now live out here, which you don't find special and basic. Me tell them, say,
yeah, man.
bar out here, food out here, everything.
Yeah, man.
Yo, tourist attraction that out. Yeah, man, the 3 years wicked. You see, man, go through a Melissa, me teacher. A madness, man.
You see, and you go upstairs and you say, then watch out. One more part up there, sir.
Yeah, man, about 3 stories, man, and hold it for Baltole.
Yeah, man, me watch him, man. Yo, any dog, respect, man. Any man goes, no, come out, load out the carpet.
Yeah, I hate.
No, come out. I said,
goat skin. Yeah, we teach our art a lot, but we are going to do it, but you see it. Roger, ready?
Ready.
Alright, so, the massive, let's do this. Moment of truth. Yeah? Yeah, just put them there in that. So massive. Are we this here now? Ready? Noel, the water cold like ice, brother. Yeah. Oh, it's not scared.
Come here, fly that. I'm going to drop the nail.
Noel, trouble there. So massive, yeah. We're ready. We'll go out there on the water. A mad thing. Let's do this.
Yeah, wonder. So if me have them paddle around so I can use this.
Yeah, man, so no joke. The water cool. You don't know, you have to go there barefoot and thing. See them there. Raj and Noel. So massive, we are go closer to what's going on in. You see me, I say slowly but surely. Make I put this right there so we can see what's going on as we go closer. See? Now ready? Let's go. Ready?
Jamaica Walk By. I'm not so too active on it.
Paddling,
but you might learn.
Yeah, learn.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. Yeah, do it.
Yo, you want to go up to Jamaica and stay in the house and you want to bro.
Crazy.
I'll check out over there.
Yeah, the house there.
Yeah, we're starting to run through the street. You turn on especially when you paddle on the side, like over the side there, public security.
Really. I normally do it, you know. I fool me, I fool around. Massive, look what I got. Cheese and peas. Look at. Oh gosh. Yeah, man. You see? When I tell them that this now move, because same place where normally stay. Look there. This is crazy. Yo. Come on. Oh, yeah, stop. Yeah. My thing is. Yeah, man. Massive, one and me I work it, you know. So, let's see what I go on. I say, man, we can go in there. Alright, massive, I can put on this one. Your feet. What's the whole lot of people them downstairs and people. Remember me tell you that people live in here. People live in these houses. Look there. People live downstairs, huh? What people house downstairs and all that? Oh, we get if it's there? Watch out. You know see what I do? Watch it. You just come close. Post me take you up out of the water and dry you up here. You now move. You now move, dog. Oh yeah, I lie, it a move. Yeah, oh yeah, push with that one. Yeah, see me catch that one there. Yeah, see you catch there.
Put up another.
Yeah, remember say all if here one move go out there, so now we good enough from one save. Yeah. Come on, see. See which way we are forward from there. Yo, this is crazy. So massive with them people them almost right now. Raj not go. Catch ya.
Yeah. No, I'll push it, you know.
Turn around this way. Well, now your paddle.
My paddle under some.
You can't come off. Oh, you're good.
Alright, good. You can use one of them with the clothes and retrieve.
Yeah.
Now go up on the host of phone.
Oh, that's good.
Alright.
So, we have to watch out for nail and all them things like
So,
Hold on, disclaimer. You see, owner for that house here, we just a barely trespass. So, please, me I beg you, no bother trouble we. We just want to show people them what go and make it. Even you can get to see your house. So see what your house look like here. I see that you had a lot of plans to go on the second floor. And it's crazy.
You're going downstairs?
Yeah, look there, man.
yo, this is crazy, bro.
Look downstairs.
Yeah.
Watch a rug, see him here.
What is my fridge? My fridge.
Oh, there's a fridge right here floating.
Yeah.
Fridge afloat. Oh my word. Good fridge, do you know what you man?
Yeah.
And my
Whoever own this house, if you watch now, you're not troubling anything.
yeah, we're not trouble now. I swear to God.
Exclusive.
Oh my word. Yeah. Full of. Yo, the water mark now move, bro.
Yeah.
The water mark now move. Coach. Oh no, what I lost, brother. Oh no.
Where are you going upstairs?
Gone upstairs.
Yeah, Fabian. How you feel?
Crazy. My heart a pain me. As much as I see me a smile, cause is it true? We recently go through some construction thing, bro. Them thing are hot, dog.
You know where you go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Them thing are hot, brother. It's painful to see it. This is a yo. A madness. Can see say them try to put some of my thing them upstairs.
Yeah, and that me I say them try to save some things.
If them could I move fast enough, like if some things could have probably do up there, so.
I know I said this is the only house so them put the things up.
If the thing them be up there, so them would alright.
This is the only house.
Look them massive. So with the close and personal we are going. banana tree. The banana tree fully covered. Oh no. Alright, massive. Yeah, if you think them did the inside of the place, yeah, then probably that could have saved a few things. You see me? See how the step here? The step not even come out of board yet. That tell us the house a work pan and them have all hoops we go on the second floor. Watch it. Be a debris, you know. Me a whoop, so one car bumper them, I whoop say. One car underneath there. Oh my word. Make a way go up. Try to see if we can see what I go and take a look at time. Can't mash up my foot again. See we up on the mouse stop. Jaja. Bro G, I swear.
Yeah, Fabian.
And a normal thing.
Yo, man, I think this looks like a two-story though. Two-story.
Yeah. No, this would be we're up on the first story now, down there so. The ground floor.
It's true, I don't know how high up the water come, bro, but this one the house they look like that would be one first floor down there.
Cheese and peas, so.
Yo, this is crazy.
Man, tell her, man.
Yo, which one now backflip? How much likes your backflip?
In a that?
No, nobody who likes me.
No, sir, me no do none of this, Afi. Me not jump off in a that.
So suppose we never have no. Suppose the kayak them float way. We have to go in the water.
Raj!
No.
Raj, swim with the No, Raj, no bother with it. You swim with
it.
the because you swim with crocodile.
No, brother.
You swim with crocodile. A spearfishing. You are the number one.
Oh yeah, Raj. Yeah,
You are the number one. You swim with crocodile, so you can't go in there. You know what I mean?
Yo, Crooks not running place, huh?
Check what they
Well, we don't know, but you can find out for we.
We don't find out.
Oh my word, massive. So we're still touring and viewing up by Content Manchester, and so far the water is not going anywhere. Yeah, the last time we were there, Noel, I see way it look. See there? That was a shop where they say one famous shop too. See, fully covered under water there, man. May I tell you? Cheese and peas. Noel, you know what hurt me about this?
Yeah.
This just deck. It just deck. So tell, not even the board them off of the edging them don't get to take off yet. Look.
Yeah.
See there? See board them I see them way on it. Them don't get to take off yet. So this just deck. A whole heap of money. If we do that decking now, we look for about 1 million, 2 million.
Yeah.
Depends on who do it. If a manpower or a premix, and all this look like a manpower. So it probably a little bit cheaper. So about $1 million based on the size, about $1 million.
Yeah.
1.1, 1.2 million then probably spend for do that decking yeah. Or maybe more, depends on who do it.
Why?
You see me?
But right now, to it look, them can't, in a sense, them come back and try build after the water go away. Because me wouldn't advise that, because you never know if next year we get a rainstorm.
Yeah, that me I think about now. So what you gonna do? Imagine having a mansion and you cannot use it.
Just build up on its floor.
Oh, you say, and then all the road part go. You try buy out piece of land from over there and then run one bridge house.
Do like in a tail and
Cheese and peas, massive. This is crazy. So, the kayak go on. Yeah, 1 to 1, 1 to 1, they were good. My one supposed to good kind of catch. I'm go up on it. No, make me just go up on this and then.
Yeah, big man.
Yeah. You know, say this thing are tricky. I'm left to put my paddle.
Hey, paddle there. Oh, so you go for them?
Yeah.
Alright, Fabian. Brave up.
Alright, let's push mine forward and catch it. Watch it. Dog, at panina.
Yeah.
Navigate.
Navigate.
Everything. Watch out. Nah, come up now. Nah, come on.
Use the board and catch it.
Nah. Board are full on here.
Mad.
Right, this up. Oh, wait, I'm throwing this side here because I'm not can balance.
Look, I get for a jog mine with you.
One more on TikTok. Right.
Alright, Raji, you're good to go now.
Yeah, man. Oi. No, I say I pray for my job, you know.
No, man. We don't have enough time for going in the water yet, man.
Yeah.
People in the comments, if you don't want to see me and Raji come back and scuba dive and giving a tour of the houses, the actual houses, the inside, underneath the water, let me know in the comments. Bring the video to 10,000 likes. You think them can manage that?
Yeah, man. Tell them 100k viewers. I will do it.
10,000 likes on the video. I will come back and will scuba dive in the houses. So we are going giving a tour inside of the houses underwater. Because right now this is a new underwater. Sorry, this is a new sunken city. Where's that?
Underwater city.
Yeah, this is a new sunken city. But wait, you're not here, my Fabian. Your mic over there, sir?
No, I'm not plugging in. I'm good.
Oh, okay. Yeah, man, this is a new sunken city. Raji, help him now.
You think say I'm about kayak? What go on now? Oh, they're about to wave, man.
No, man, through the way it's staying, him can't really push it.
You see if we ever have the scooter, them underneath the sweet. What you know?
That mine drop.
Okay.
Let's see how will they figure this out. Mine drop. Careful.
Yeah, there we are.
Wait. Yeah, let it.
Yes, yes.
Yo, the water cool.
Yeah.
Catch it now. Watch the camera here.
Alright, I mean that.
Woo.
Oi!
Oh, wait, me not stop the camera every time I do it.
No, you know, it's a roll, same way, man.
Why is it up in here?
Hold on. Let me get it. It's a roll, man. We know how your thing go.
Must even know me stay already. Hold on there. Picture it. I always have to catch everything while I go.
Alright, now move on. You know.
Yeah, massive. Let's move. Ready up now, eh? No, you're Freddy. You can't swim so good.
Alright, go where put the key there, sir.
You go over that one there.
Oh.
I want to come on this now.
You have to hold on with the two hand on the concrete structure. You good now? Someone said we actually swim in the yard. See you, sir. Oh my word. You see? So now I get a good understanding as to what's going on.
Oh well.
Yeah.
Painful.
Painful.
Yeah. Raj, me go through flood out already, you know, so I know what it feels like.
People put block on your roof, bro.
Fu-
Say storm, I go blow it off and watch it now.
Underwater.
Say storm, I go back up blood.
Watch that. See our next fridge float underneath there, so. Watch that. Cheese and peas. The black tongue. Cheese and peas. Gosh. You can't do nothing in this. Only thing you couldn't do is take out your furniture them.
Yeah.
Only thing you couldn't do. No. Only thing you couldn't do is take out your furniture them. Sure. Yeah, when I say one decking house there when I look on the drone. One roof. Fully covered, bro. Yeah. Turn up in it. Let me see how I can turn up in it. I see. Which part is this? Where there? Oh yeah, bro. See that?
I can see where they made plans to go
See that?
higher.
Like literally. Where paddle it? Watch it.
What feet? 3 feet, 2 feet?
Watch it, watch it. Yo. Yeah. Noel,
Yeah.
you get higher. We couldn't see. You see decking over there, so we couldn't see the decking there. Like P side. It get higher, bro. Yeah. There was one where we could easily stand up on. And we can't see none at all. Call up on this one. How far is it from you, see here?
About 2 feet, yeah? 3 feet.
True, I can't remember how big it used to be. Cheese and peas. See them myself? One deck in this. No man, one decking structure there too. What is that, dog? Yo. Want stand up on one and make them see say. And a joke thing. Zinc. Oh no, brother. Alright, so want a zinc this? That one I want zinc top? No, sir.
And Fabian, right now, we can't see tadpole into the water. That means that the water is not salt.
Yeah, then from remember, so we said that the other day, say,
Yeah.
I wish if we have tadpole we swim in a salt water.
It's not a thing. Amphibians are freshwater animals.
Yeah, that. You see that one. So this part is fully covered, massive. See that one zinc top, this zinc top. Oh my word.
That's at the third house. So Fabian, you believe, because some people in the comments will say that maybe there's someone trapped in one of the houses still. You believe that so?
If it's somebody, why me not hear them report nobody say nobody missing?
I was saying nobody was reported missing.
Roger, here if nobody reported missing.
Yeah, so that means we can safely assume that nobody was trapped inside.
See that massive, watch it top of the house. Fully covered. Now go on the zinc one. Yo. Raj, but how much feet out all is a house? to make them have an idea how deep the water will be right now. And remember in a Raj, some of them dep on a little hillside. Not all of them. It's spot them where you see right now. Means say the water is that deep. We deeper. Look at myself. Alright, I think this is a shop. I think I want a shop this at the pan. Yeah. I think I'll be probably out of the house. Cause through the deck, they must say alright, then we could just put them on it. Could they, man? Deep, man.
Yes, hillside.
Yo. Yeah, I still hillside. So the further we go to that way there, the deeper it get.
I get some crazy. You're supposed to think of me, I think right now, no?
Oh my word.
And I tell everything, man.
So massive, eh? You see. You can draw with that drum, yeah? Let me go.
Oh,
Yeah, go right in the you want capture, yeah? I knew still Mr. JDF. JDF that?
They must have said, bad man them, they don't mess up. Don't hold this here, because I know why you're dropping now. Hold on. Where you lock it off?
No, man, it's a word. When I turn on, I don't lock off. When I see what go on, eh?
Yeah, man. They say I hold it more up, so.
Stuck in on that.
Yeah, man, like that.
It's crazy, massive. It's crazy. Crazy.
It's a downstairs, this is my bro, watch out. See Steph them there?
Peace.
So this
We not even see that on the drone.
Yes.
Yeah, you couldn't carry a scuba. No,
No, you know what?
I don't want to say anything. I don't want to say anything. So massive, as you can see. So what happened here, them probably see the water raise up and them say, I could try put some of the furniture and the thing them on the upstairs or the top of the building, and it completely covered off. See that? Then put the fridge up there, so chair, bed, sofa, probably suitcase and things them in it. Oh, there's a drill. In try to save the drill. I wonder if the drill still work. Mother. Who think it still work? Noel.
Probably still work. Oh, water zero time.
No, the angle come from. Oh yeah, what? Oh my word. The owner for the house, I don't want the drill. We want a drill, you know. Alright, I'm gonna put it back. So see there, I put it back. My sister you want to save your drill, so I'm gonna put it back. So your suitcase. And you know what the worst thing, Raj? Them cover up the furniture them with the plastic, you know. Just in case rain fall. And look here. Oh my word. Oh my word. So when you might see in the water there is no current. There's no current here. So no current in the water. No, no. So yeah. Cheese and peace. So massive. Yeah. And watch out, see next deck part, yeah? So I have one deck part right so we are look on, as you can see. And then I have a next zinc part over there, so fully covered under water. This not dry. At the same now it worse than where it did be. Because we couldn't see all of that zinc top there. The water did there right below that. You see me I say, Raj? Right below that house there. You couldn't see that top there. Yeah, it arise. It arise. See all the breadfruit tree dead. Oh my word. And watch a couple, see whole heap more house and people up on the other side. Whole heap more house underwater. See that? Jaja no. Alright. Look on the light wire post. And you can see how deep this be right here, sir. And gas building up there too. Oh my word. Painful. Painful.
Let's check that out, guys. This is a 2-story. That's a step and the railing to go down. And
You can see, Fabian.
Eh?
Look right there, sir. You can see, it was a shop right there now.
Yeah, I tell you, sir, this is the shop.
Okay, look
And
at
that shop I tell you about. That's why I say one shop up on the house.
Yeah.
So this is the shop with the front and the house the right round it. So them take out the furniture them out the house, put on the concrete deck top.
Yeah, because this is the highest point.
Yeah, this is the highest point and cover it.
Yeah.
And water still reach on top of it.
Yeah.
They make every precaution for try save some I think them mattress them kinda mess up and well, I don't even know. I don't even know what he said that.
At least them try.
Them try.
At least them try.
Them try. No, but, and to be honest, when the water start rising the right way, you can't tell say how so high it go come.
Yeah.
You now can't tell say how so high it go come. And that's the thing.
Yeah.
Alright. You ready?
You can see where the spectators
Watch out.
are.
The iron board. Cheese and peace. Alright, Noel.
Yeah.
Hold your kayak. And make we see. Boy, I'm sorry for them people there, dog. Trust me.
Iron board. Yes, tools like you can see
Cheese and peace.
a chair, a drill over that side.
It look like I want trade man houses. That me just want to say too.
Yeah.
Cause in level there having drill over there so. So one saw there. Raw in tool pan did it too.
Two pan?
Yeah.
Yes, the two pan is right here.
Worry yourself, me general. I don't know what to say, but boy, this rough. This is rough. This is painful, massive. This is crazy. So yeah. Yo, me still a look for any. No, your boat not stop drift. Cheese and peace. Cheese and peace. Alright, let's do this. Alright. So, let's do this. Yeah, man. Alright. Now, well, let me try to save your boat. Yeah, come on. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going.
That's for sure, so if I did me alone, I couldn't know. That's stop.
Pass me.
I go for my
Oh, well.
My phone on your kayak. No, well, this can be a bad time. I see a tummy right there.
Cheese and
Yeah.
Go on
peace.
the kayak.
You can do it, eh? Go for it.
Yeah, I see
Makasi
the
wa
light in
ba?
right there. So dog, a while ago, I point the camera pretty up.
Oh, my word.
Why is that one?
This no, this up. Right now.
Come true. I see I can't sit down because God know.
You want more like here?
Eh?
Give me a camera.
Oh, do it though. Take away, I think.
Come here a second.
Oh, hold this.
Fabian, you're live on video right now.
Yeah, man. Don't mess up.
Do not mess up.
Hey, I see who for our job today.
No, sir. No, we're not Jesus.
Hey. Yes, we meet.
Fabian, no, Roger, you already falling now.
No, I'm in the job. Watch it.
Alright. It's a gas pedal.
Yeah.
Go on now, let me get this. Oh.
Hold it, you know.
Let's go.
Jump in now. Let's take a picture right this way, dog.
Oh, my word.
I know, I shot me a picture with me the funny. Come past me right this way. I'm sorry.
Oh, my word. This is crazy. Oh, my Shina's got that side there. Alright, massive. Let me rest the boy down.
Oh yeah, let's go through that. Oh,
Yeah. Let's see if we can just go through this one.
oh well balanced.
No, one line there and we can't go past. You see that car there?
Oh, like the streak in the water.
I go right over that tunnel. Alright, we made it. So like legit we are float over the house, see there? At the point. Like me really super sorry for the loss for them people here. See that them put all black pan there just to make sure say The house stop now blow off. Bro G, you know say them people actually tie down the roof, dog?
Yeah?
Like legit them tie down the roof, bro. Yeah, them strap down the roof so that's not blow off. Then strap down the roof, it not blow off. And it did not blow off. It never blew off, you know? See there? Cause strap then still there. Oh my word. People they make them them extra precautions, you know, to keep the place. And watch it. Cheese and peace. Ah, lie. Oh my word, it's painful. Painful, brother. Oh no. Yeah, legitly a paddle when I was stop. Jeez and peace. My people in the house. Come on. Bro. Whole house underwater. So there's a gas business up here, so them did tell me. Massive a rare sit I get. Now well. A rare sit I get. You not forward? Jeez and peace. Oh no, bro. So massive, if you just a join, please may I ask if you like the video. You know, cause we're there showing we are going to comment and I answer the question. So this is another rooftop. This is another rooftop right here, so see there, we just go over it now. Well, the hurricane actually blew off some part of the roof here, you can see. But for the most of it, it's still there. You see it? See the rooftop are solid too, you know. Solid. Oh my god. Look here. And with no signs of the water ajar. See how down there so to them sister them strapped down there so too. Just to make sure say it not tear down. Cheese and peace. Can't even trust it to walk on it at all. But man, this is not cool. This right here is not cool. See there, legit. See there, some of the roof. This is a zinc roof. You can see that somebody did lift up pretty much through the storm. But then the water now rise and became another factor. I really hope them people that get help, like serious help, because I'm never sure if they get ample time to save any of them furniture or not. Cause you can't prepare yourself for this. Yeah. Oh my god. Painful. All the tree them are dead because you know see them tree and make for in so much water. Oh my word. Let's go. Them tree and make it in so much water. Oh my word. Painful. Oh no good? Oh my word, brother. Look on this. Peace and peace. There. Can't make this up. Can't make this up. Can't make this up. can see our next part of submerged. See the tanker. Now I wonder who them people are, who really did own them building here. And thing. Oh my god. Can I see the storm? No, it's not the storm mash up this. So let me show you what I go on with this. I don't know if you know see what I go on. Why it bulge up like this is because the fridge. So there's a deep freeze where you know say deep freeze is shut tight. So it being shut. No, it trap the air and everything. So because the water rise, it rise with the water and lift off the entire top. Let's go in to get a closer view as to it. See there? Another rooftop this. See there? Oh my word. Just stop right there. See there? And it's more than one deep freeze. See there, two fridge them rise and shove off the whole at the top. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Jaja no. So see there we a kayak on somebody's roof. Yeah man, see tadpole in the water there, say water not salty at all. See them there, you can see them? Yeah man, brother, I look on the one a while ago and I say if a hurricane did it, so but I realize a too deep freeze. Too deep freeze, push up the top. You know, you're chopping it and I eat that. Oh boy. I wonder if a tadpole them are a piranha. Jesus. I know say water current strong like it a flow from somewhere up there so. Yeah that man tell her man. See that man say look. Somebody house. See. Close and personal there. You don't know how you just stand up on your balance. Brave, you're brave. And learn to stand up on it?
Yeah, whenever usually.
No, stand up on it.
I go over them side, I go show them how to go.
Oh, oh yeah.
Over the pass. You have some look motor, we can put on the next time.
Oh, so it does make you feel like stress you out today? Wicked piece of youth. Alright, massive. So, let me rest this down again so I can paddle properly. Open and see what I go on. A window sign. Watch out, Reg!
Yo!
We don't even know if we catch that! No way!
Hey!
Yo, Reg is the first one to go!
Yo! Nearly gone on the drum. Hey, you're the first one to go!
Reg is the first one to go! Oh, good! No.
But I was just taking the guy to see. Look at the sign right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
High up in that ear.
Right behind me. Wires from behind me.
Oh my word.
Yo. Pass on.
Raj nearly bite the dust.
Hey.
So this become a tourist attraction right now. Massive people up on the boat side of the road every day. People start sell liquor, chicken a jerk. The amount of people we are forward to see this site, like unbelievable sight. So I could go right to the Windalka sign. I wonder if that place there people actually can go inside of it. That building here, if people around this, if they trap in or they probably can walk through the bush. window to sign. So we'll go on there. Window to sign.
It's actually feel nice.
When I sit down?
Yeah.
Yeah, can man over it. Oh God.
Watch out. So,
Oh, I gate.
oh, good.
The window to sign. Massive, and this is not just the right side, this is the, as you can see, gate, the top of the gate post because I come onto one shallow area right so. Because one road there so you go up over there. See that? Top of the gate. Is it Roger motor in gear you know? So it look like a really Windalco entrance this. Let's go again. Let's work safely today and excel by doing the basic what? Basic well what? Can't see what that I say. Yo, see that massive, it's no joke. Outside. Oh my word. On the place. That must be there in the water. So our next house that we're fully covered underwater. We are go over there so. Cha. Oh no. Huh? Massive, me I tell you, me just there dog and me I tell you, my heart just broken because remember as a youth I go through Hurricane Ivan and yours flood out and me tell God, say God please don't make me ever go through this again, please. Don't make me ever go through nothing like this. So you see all them people now will flood out, water flow through their house for weeks. Yo, how about that? I don't want to get at that. You go straight to it, how about that? Sit down and back up, Roger, how about that?
Oh, please, I leave first.
Oh, yeah. Yo, me frightened you, frightened dog. And people never laugh. Raj, you see how you got it to start back up. Raj, drum break. Yeah, it thing look just like a gator. Yo, me frightened. And then she bad worse around this and talk about say, yo, mine crooks in there though. Yo, me say the thing catch you in the dog, see there? Yeah, dog. I'm afraid of. You think catching them, say, Roger, go towards it, and I think just start back up like a bit slow. Yo, sir. Me frightened, me not gonna tell you no lie, dog. I tell you, say, me frightened, bro. Me see it now, say, no man, why that looks at him now? Him not budge, Yeah. Hold on, you want if a sibling orange or real orange? You walk with the blade? Alright, so we'll find an orange tree, intermission. There's a no, you don't want to put it there. Alright, but so there's an orange tree. So you own a sibling tree this or a Raj dash you way?
That's fresh, brother.
Where the fresh?
No, it's sour, man. A sibling orange.
A sibling oranges? This not even look like sibling orange.
Yeah, alright, guys. So, this is not sweet orange. This one is sour.
Alright, a sour orange.
Sour, man.
On the palm tree, arise, do. Yeah, we legit then, somebody yard. See how say? And that me just learn now so they can really stay along submerged underwater. Alright, we'll go up on the house. Me could go up on the side, go block the house.
Oh, so
Yeah. Alright. You can the water come down a little bit.
Yeah, water.
Just a little bit.
Alright, check this out, guys.
Put it come on the side of the current now should be a kayak them.
The water level was right here.
Barely.
So the solar light.
Alright, massive, okay.
No, you can't give me a picture right that's how they
Go for now.
Come in front of
Okay,
me.
try. Go up on this, yeah. Yo, nothing know what I do, you know. That is a kayak that dash your dirty, you know.
I say, I see you dash away. Couple times, well, come back. The light, you know, good as so.
Oh my word. Kayak, nobody go now, man. Stay right here, so. Stay right here. Stay the flow of the water.
You need to find the source of where the water is from.
See that we're up on the decking.
Over them people they are the way, so.
All this is a fresh decking, this a thing, no, brother?
Yeah.
That one look old, look at it.
Cheese and peas, yeah, because they it probably that leak and then get the sit the paint and paint it. Shaman. Cheese and peas, massive. Shaman. Very good tank. Right tank empty. Oh, pin the night. Alright, we're not open it. We're not open it. I'll make it still stay there. Just in case when everything gone. Oh my word. Now this pain me too. See clothesline there? On the clothesline fully submerged. Jeez and peace. So I think they said that was a gas build business. Oh yeah, you can see the cylinder them and stuff around there so. Oh my god. Oh my god. That must have painful. Alright, so remember we were right behind the house in our previous video. That's that house right there. So in I center camera, we're gonna take a look at chat, go over there, see which way we can paddle go over there and think. But we're standing right now on a rooftop underneath the water. Look good. See that we turn up on the roof. Watch out. Watch out. Yeah. Tank. Jeez and peace. Jeez and peace. Let him see some drift. Wait, a TJ maker. Oh no. Nice solar light well installed and thing.
Right now the solar light is
Probably all a work. Man, I tell you man, night time you light up.
Right now, cover a solar panel you see. Oh no, but then again, you have to cover a sensor.
Sensor. Oh well. Them don't know how deep this be right there with the man.
You can do it over here, so with the literal house, they can see. Now me look on people in the world.
Jeez and peace. You park? Yeah, cause over there I did paid parking. Yeah, over window car.
Money, that's why them push you out.
Yeah. Come on, nobody move, man. I don't know why they won't behave. They don't behave themselves.
Oh, not behave themselves. I have to do it fast.
See, I can go and monitor them. So yeah, massive, you have some people out over there where you see the yard, the center camera. Them not really flood out, but water they way up in the yard just like the one there too as well. Oh my word. Shaman. Yo, Noel. So our next structure they right there say they see oh stop steal them a jump boat. Jesus peace. Oh my word. No sir. This is crazy bro.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Well, I feel being the journey are nice. I enjoy to the video.
Yeah, me I enjoy the video still, but you know, it's bittersweet. Because it's good to see that we can get the content, make my boy go and talk so we talk a little lower.
Yeah.
Good that we can get the content and we feel excited to show the people them actually what really are going up close and personal.
Yeah, especially
but
people who live here.
yeah, right. And then we want to actually see what go on, who own the place want to see. But it is so painful because you're not sure what. Let me just lift it up. I can say I can lift it up, put it on the top.
kite up one thing there, I don't want it damage.
Oh yeah, oh me that take it out.
It's there, man, let's go left.
Let me lift it up. Me don't want it. Oh, it light as hell. See fin part, then I make sure say fin part. Can you spin it? Alright, if you bear the rest of stuff, alright, we should be good. Yeah, so massive, super painful, no joke, no doubt. So yeah, massive. Alright, I go back on the kayak and now I go some other houses. Let's do this. Alright, keep watching. Let's go. See, now the fin on this side, and I don't want to damage the fin them. Alright. My foot and steer you. I say please like the video, shit. Excuse my language, my apology. Come here. Alright, let's go. So remember, if you just watch the video, please my beg on if you like the video. Like the video right now. We'll go back out the pond there. The kayak. Alright, hold on. Let's go. No mess up. Alright, good. There, no mess up. So yeah, massive. We are doing it. Let's go. Let's check out some more places and houses we're underneath. Yeah, man. So, could go that side. Yeah. Look good. What?
Ajay, too forward. No, me too over this, Ajay.
Mom, yeah, you can go. Move with it.
Oh, yeah.
I know that it have to go. That me I wonder just in case you want if you shoot something else. Alright, we should be good. Someone says so on gas place there. Oh my word. So see also we did the pan look good. See? That we did the pan. Fully underwater. Alright, so again, no current none of them wire here. So you see how far the water be? Look here. And you see how far the water be? Them are a light post. Pull them. See it? Alright, we'll go underneath this. Head. Lift up one and two. See all the kneesberry tree here? The kneesberry tree. Yo. A mad thing. Bro, we legit they're as high as the light wire. As high as the light wire. Cha-cha. Can tell you pain in every language, brother. We go underneath it. Yo, see duck. You never see duck them. Massive there are some ducks. See there? Some duck there. Yeah. Wanna see duck? Where duck them come from? So yeah, massive look. So they said this was a gas place. See there? The gas place fully underwater. Can't get no closer than this unless inside the water we are going there. Oh my word. So see, one door, so come we going on this. So one of them also when I get a chance to see how runners will look close and personal. If you see how damage look. God have mercy. It don't look good, you know? It don't look good. Yo, the water just barely move. Barely. From which part it did there? Barely move. See there? Look at the water did there. Walk it out, what? What? Yo, and then wing me sister lift up, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, I say, oh, go see me have to submerge myself to get rid of them. I was like, whoa, I would have mash up. What? Let me turn. So I don't want to go too close to the house here. What's going on with you now, eh? Massive. Cheese and peas. Now I go too close to your house because I was. See there? See what's them up on the wall? Can't take a wash thing. So see there? Water gone through your window. Curtain there up, see him where.
Alright. I am back.
Cha-cha.
I am on the other side. What would I call this one? The body of water or the community?
Yeah, we actually there now like cheese and peas. Come on. Pain. Oh, it's full of water. Water barely move, like barely nothing to talk about. Barely nothing to talk about. But we now go too close, I'll be a was. See was them, they full up on it. If you don't watch my other video, you see me around on the other side of the house, around the kitchen section. It's a helicopter here. Our video will go on. Oh my word, brother. I don't mind my ugly foot them, you know. I know my foot them ugly, you know. So if you don't see them, I just circle. Jeez, peace. Remember I was? A whole heap of was, bro.
And there's a frog on the wall.
A frog up on the wall?
Yeah.
Big frog?
Small baby frog.
I don't want a green one them.
No, I'm trying to albine.
Yeah?
I want to go in closer.
Yeah man, you can go on. Oh, one of them man, see them there? Yeah man. Let's just video, now we're getting some sting. Let know we go viral with them sting, you know.
Yeah, what I planted up here, sir?
It root up and it like whole like just float and it just start grow same place.
Yeah. Knock. Anybody home? Who's there?
Yeah, call.
Yes,
Now I'm answer in your sleep. And in your sleep, them gonna answer you. Oh my gosh.
If you are watching this video and you figure out how this is what people decide right now.
See there? We are swim through the yard. Now I go too close. I can't do that wash thing right now. See all them setty and thing up on the veranda. See them where.
Right now, anything that was absorb water, that is fully.
Jeez, So in our other video on that side we were, and we go around that side and now with the inner the water. There. So for them houses the water them just there in the yard. Luckily it don't look like the water got inside of them house. The other video then we see some youth there so too. Cheese and peas. We go towards our gas business. Yeah. Jaja no. Funny people in place. Oh my word, brother. Eh? Ah, see duck there? The next duck. Yeah, for them, the water go right up to the doorstep. See that? Look like some point the water did go in there. Look like some point the water did go in there. The house there now, the one there in front of the camera, there's a flood out. Jeez and peace. I wonder if the aisle back there are empty. No one? Jeez and peace, massive. There. Them not so bad because them can come out and walk around the other side of the bush. Charger no. Almighty. Painful. Nah, go around now. As a man I go through stuff similar to this. Yeah. I beg God finna make me go through them someday again. Cause I know I'm pretty side. Where is this? We go underneath down there. I wonder who for business place this was. I think they said it was a gas business or something like that. Mango tree. Yeah, so they want gas place.
Yes?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, and them thing there. Business mash up. Probably like cooking gas. You know, so they're already full already. Like them buy and sell gas. Feel like it's strong? Me nah go pan it. See there, I strap it down. See strap here? Look here. I strap this to you know. See there, I strap right there, so then strap it down. So them never sure neither. So me sure say me nah go pan it. Eh? Or them vehicle no man right there so then stay man, then can't move. No vehicle in your yard. Can't unless them cut one next piece of road go on the other side. Cheese and peace. Look one way. A canoe in a people's yard. Canoe in a people's yard. Oh no. Almighty. Yeah. It's a utility pole just right there so. Let me hear a thought. So if Uno did live right there so, what would that be on the outcome? Say for instance the water draw. Say the water should draw. Zin? What you wanna do? Continue like nothing happen or wanna done it right there so? See all one? And cucumber yeah. And cucumber this. And float. What you need to do? I thought to me, I'm done with them business here and I'm done with living around here so. Or what? What you need to do? I really like to hear phone thoughts as to this. Could go around this one. Breadfruit tree can't manage so much water. Breadfruit tree dead. Banana tree them are dead too. I must remember you know, I don't know how deep this be. Cause if I cover the building tapping a man. I don't know it's a normal depths of water you know. So, this looks like one old fridge. We have go towards Jaja. See some, should be sir. Some buckle. Jaja. Bro, we're up on a boat. We're up on a canoe, a paddle boat, anything we want to call it, on top of your business place. Nobody couldn't tell us that this would happen. Like, who could have prepared you, say, people are going to have a canoe or a paddle boat, a paddle on top of your rooftop. Nobody can prepare you for this. Nothing can prepare you for this. Watch it. Jaja no. Watch it. No well. Nothing can prepare them and them to tell them say we would have paddle boat on them rooftop. Don't believe. All if you're going in the future. Nothing can prepare you to tell you that. The people soon start paddle boat over your stuff. And in your yard. See that? So then said this was a gas fix. Oh my word. Sir. I must say, I hope I get justice. But we definitely are checking on this place to see how much we can show it. This is how much we can show it. So I'll go back to here, so shit. What the fuck is that? I don't know. Gosh. Okay. Crazy. I don't know massive, but this mash me up. This a mash me up. If telling the truth. Just for just a look on it and I see the extent of the damage where people them face right now. Like even though St. Elizabeth mash up, but you say this, you know, say boy, you're not even can get back your place to even see you are going with it. You just cover underwater. Words can't explain. Look at the window. Oh my gosh. This is crazy, man. Crazy, man. I tell you. So you have one house over there, so. You see. I go right at the yard. See, there's more duck here again. So massive, we just got the house and then we're gonna make our way back. You know what I mean? Big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch the entire video. So this is the newest lake so far in Manchester. A duck, I enjoy it already. A duck in there already. Yeah. See, I tell me, say a boat, them people have to go take garden yard. The water there right at the doorstep, you know, look like that one that flood out, you know. It don't look like this house flood out, but you know, see, say, water there right at the doorstep. Shano. See that? Watch out, boat we are using just go pull up in the people them yard. Big up to all the homeowner, we just try to show no what go on. We don't know place. Cheese and peas. Oh, this Raj. Stop my job. Huh? People in garden. Go up on the step.
Yeah, go up on the step.
Go over the yard. Yes. Watch out. A boat never forgot to come home. Hello? No, but you don't want to submerge me. I said probably people can still live in this. Yeah, cause see, they can walk on the other side. Well, a yard. No, that grass is not dead yet. They actually still green underneath the water. But it look like that house here probably not flood out, but with the water situation right at them doorway, they're actually there somewhere else. Boat, where you go? Third time now. Hey, you're lucky say alright, I say you're there. If I ever out of deep.
Yo. There's some too hot for the kayak.
Oh God, you're lucky you can swim good, that's why you're not afraid.
Boy, as I say guys.
Damn piece of.
Alright.
No.
Head back.
Yeah.
Time to head back. So, this is the final house.
What at the right doorstep? Fully covered. Probably a little shop. Here more shop, storeroom. Alright, let's sit down back. Catch you right there, so. Why people them the owner see the house here, I'm so sorry. But boy, me know all them people here probably say why them. Them probably wonder say why them.
Hey.
Eh?
Dog, that's a super flow.
Better one. I want that I want van back. Yeah man, a duck. Yeah. Is a van back this?
Alright, it's a car, this and that.
And that me I say. This one carry. Carry top this. Sure.
Guys, just cover something. Jamaica Walk By, just this. It's between the car and the water.
This one carry.
Guys, it's a whole car. Oh, it's a Pro Box.
Is that? Not sure what kind of car, but he underwater. Yeah. But we don't know they reach us, sir.
Ready to put them, sir?
Yeah, man, head out here now.
Ready to put them, sir, bro.
Eh?
Ready to put them, sir.
We one of the tie on?
No, me I say, we're place to put them, sir.
You can't full speed though. Come in and stop record. Tell people up on the other side, I could go up on the other side. We'll go right around this. Cheese and peas. Place is a attraction place now. Store. I know the worst thing, most of them houses I can see say work, them work on their house, you know, bro. Watch all the meter underwater. See here, massive. Oh, yo. Big up to everybody who watch the video, bro. You know what I mean? Yeah, my spirit kind of down because I don't like see them something and them things are painful for see. You see me? It's painful if you see. So, I go up on the other side. See how wait for people up on the sideline. Why now? Crazy. So right now we're currently there, right in the road. I rode this in the way. Yeah. You have wheel pan for you? You would have turned in a transformer and drive out. Yeah, massive, I'm crazy, man. And as you can see, even right on the top of the hill, you can see. Yeah. Anybody want to cross it?
But no one cross it.
No, start it, yeah? People up on the side, right? I rode the up so can turn, go around the other side. But we never know that. We could have drive around this so and just come on rock right around us so. And we walk it right through the bush. Alright, I say people them that walk if you can go through. That's a full of water, you know. You know move, you know? The thing just move like about 4 inches or less. Like when I look on the wall like house them, you can use a finger and just come and see which part it move from. So it never come like it really a move. Like go down a little bit. Some part deeper and then some part get a little bit shallow. So be like it look like some part is soil, soft, and then part the mash way and it just get deeper. But it don't look like it a move. It just come like when the rain fall, it just get like about 1 or 2 inch higher, and when the rain stop, it just go back down. But it not move. This not move. Hey Raj, I said this not move. Nah move, man. So we are head out massive. Raj, remember you not give we fully drop off yet.
Yeah?
You not give we fully drop off yet. Yeah, my phone a ring, so you see what I go on. So massive big up to everybody who watched the video. Super appreciate everybody. And thing, heart of love to all. Boy, I tell you this is sad. So we just make a way, go back to the vehicles in. So blessings and respect. Thank you so much for watching. Truly appreciate everybody who watched the video right now. Swear to you. Yeah man. Let's go. Don't mess up, you know. Don't mess up. Don't mess up, you know, Raj. It's a bunny. Yeah, I'm a teacher them. Big up on yourself, you know. We say to say on the other side. I mean, big up on the TikTok name. Wayne Davis. Big up in our Wayne. Yes, on G over this stream. Wayne Davis, you can follow him on TikTok. I feel him place it look like. So I'm show the daily happenings up here live. So if you don't want to ask him question, just go right on Wayne Davis TikTok. And you can see the place. Look how more, you hear that, bro J? Wanna take it easy, you hear that? Man, there's a big up one Ral. Oh, you see what I go on? A mad thing, man. So, you big up Yo Noel and big up yeah, and Raj spearfishing. Yeah. SFF, right? SSFJ.
Spearfishing Jamaica, I talk about it.
Oh. See? Yeah, Jamaica Walk By.
Your name, please just remember.
But a spearfishing Jamaica, from somebody remember spearfishing Jamaica, yeah, them all remember that. The SFJ. Jamaica Walk By, that was one of my things when I made actually. I think about names, I say I want something just roll off of your tongue, man. Just simple. So massive. See there? Right in front of this. What's him on the water, brother? Raj, I'm tired of freak.
Yeah, you go on your
You can't tell him, man. Wait, we'll paddle out. Watch him, man. It's like me I look on him, I can't believe it's so deep this be right now. So yeah, me there with that Jenko man here. What's your name, Godfather?
McFarris McFarlane.
McFarlane. Oh, Mr. McFarlane. So we're there with Mr. McFarlane. So Mr. McFarlane is one of the property owner over there that we visited. You understand? So question I'm gonna ask you, where were you when time the water start rise?
In my bed.
In your bed?
Yeah.
Your house is 2-story?
Yeah.
So you have an upstairs and a downstairs?
Yeah.
So your bedroom did where? Upstairs?
Upstairs.
Oh, so you be having a bedroom upstairs. Where though? Just wake up in the night and say,
I wake up early in the morning
yeah.
and me hear water.
You hear water?
Yeah. So me figure more or less say water come and pipe left and downstairs.
Oh. So it come like say water come through the window, pour down.
Through the door.
Through the door?
Yeah.
Oh, and it make a sound?
Yeah.
Rockstone. So you wake up and go downstairs?
Yeah, man.
So
Me make for go downstairs and then now me open the back door. The balcony door.
yeah.
And when me look, the backyard full of water.
Full of water.
Mm.
Jaja no. So what your reaction when you see that?
And that the water come inside of the house, you know. Me turn fool, right?
Jaja no. Because none couldn't prepare you for this.
No.
So what the first move you make when you see water?
Well, at least my niece did upstairs and me I say, you left pipe and downstairs and me have to shout to him and right now he nearly give my wife heart attack or him fly out of the bed, you know.
Oh,
Because
God.
about 1 hour, you know. So when them come out, they see the water, you know. But through the first time now when he come, he never come upstairs.
You speak to me about that. When the first time you found it, half the bottle wasn't so bad.
No.
So probably when you did,
We are watching.
when I watch it, so the
Yeah.
silicone water, I come up
Yeah.
and I say, yeah, it's not supposed to so
we
bad.
are watching 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, you know.
Yeah.
And then now hoping say might stop like
Stop
it
right
was
there,
time,
so.
you know.
Yeah.
So Virgin, when we see now stop and we start get little things together, right? Get one truck and by time you move with some of the things when you come back, guy them couldn't go inside.
Can't go in the yard
No,
again.
sir.
So that
So
means
the
that
rest
I
of
move.
things get a beaten.
But just to tell you, you know, say all of that place is fully covered with water now.
Yeah.
Even the decking.
And then now, that's how what happened to me the second day, you know.
Second day.
No, after the second day, we neighbor see it I go to feed them house. So them have to start make preparation
Shall we take
to
out them stuff?
Yeah.
So
So it lick me first.
cheese and peas. So you first get hit by it and then it take time to get iron and come up the hill.
Yes, yeah. So after I come up in a few house now, you start going at the second house.
Beside you.
Yeah.
Jaja.
And them have to look for move too. So by the time them move and the guy pack some things up there so he can feel say he never reach
Reach the top of it.
Yeah.
Because I also see furniture up there, tool pan,
Yeah.
and then also one big plastic like in cover the furniture
He
then
did
with
cover
plastic.
it, yeah, he did cover it because nobody would know say it a go
Reach
rooftop.
rooftop.
Yeah, nobody would know.
John no star, I'm really sorry for the loss, but when we realize it take from the time you wake up, see water downstairs, by the next day, the house fully covered with water.
Yeah.
And then I stop rise ever
You
since
not
till
stop
reach
rise.
right up here, so.
Let's stop rise.
Oh my word. So what are your future plans? Say for instance, next week you come and you see say the water drop. What you gonna do?
Right now, my wife said she can't go back there. So. Because somebody we split up,
Yeah.
right? Because nobody
You there somewhere else.
couldn't accommodate the
Everybody.
four of we, you know?
Oh,
so
God.
we split up. We split up right now, you know?
So you there somewhere and your wife there
Yeah.
somewhere and your niece.
Me, and my daughter.
Daughter.
Then there's somewhere else, you know?
Oh
see?
my word. Me see you pass through right now, like check pan if you see if the water go down.
Me
But
there all every day.
Every day?
Yeah, every day me come on here. Spend a little time and go back. I hope they might go down.
but you know you're going to need therapy
right
after
now,
this.
the bad there now, you know, but my most concern after this.
After this.
Because me can't build somewhere else, me can't buy somewhere else.
Right I know.
You know,
Eh?
see, and me can't even pay rent.
Jeez and please, I fully understand
You
the
know,
struggle.
me can't pay rent. you
Words
know.
can't explain. Is it an inherit place?
Yeah?
Like you inherit the property from
Yeah,
Oh.
my father used to
own
own it, you
it.
know.
And you said this happened one time before.
Yeah, happened one time since me there.
Since you're
Yeah.
alive and there.
Yeah.
Jaja no star.
Have an idea as to when?
About
I think they may saying that if I 2011 or something like so.
you know, 20, the 5th or so. But after it happened, somebody said when the plant then I cut the road, it did happen. Almost like this.
Yeah,
You know?
Jaja no. Because if you look behind me, look on the flow of the water or the water run off.
Yeah.
And it's not moving. So that means the flow of this water run off at the same flow of water and come right back. So it's just a cycle right now that's going right around like a river. Godfather, is there a number you can give that persons can reach out to you and see if the government can actually help you prepare another place for you, if I'm temporarily or somewhere where you can get to the inner the system, if you can get back a next property, because so far it look good right here. So what's the number?
It's 771-8925.
So it's 876?
1876.
Yeah, 1876. Repeat.
771-8925.
8925 for the last digit. Alright, blessings and respect here, Mr.
Yeah,
McFarlane.
man.
Heart of love and trust me. Just pray, you know.
Yeah.
We say one no cost death, no cost life, one no cost life, no cost death. You understand?
yeah.
So we have hope same way. Probably God does get rid of the old for you bring in the new. You
I hope
understand?
so, you know.
That a quote, man. We have
so.
faith, man. See?
I hope so, you know.
Blessings and respect,
Yeah.
and thank you so much for talking to me, alright?
No problem.
Man.
Yeah.